A quick informational video. I'm going to show you how to get your coupon for your eBay shipping supplies. If you have a store subscription on eBay, Basic, Premium, Anchor, or Enterprise, you're entitled a certain amount, $25 to $150, towards eBay branded shipping supplies. And you can get boxes, polymailers, bubble mailers, tape, packing tape. So what you want to do is you actually want to sign into your eBay store, make sure you're signed in. You're going to click on My eBay, and then it's going to take you to the Seller Hub. You're going to hover over Marketing, and you're going to click on Subscriber Discounts. And the next page, it'll take you to the eBay shipping supplies. You're going to click on See Details. And then right here, it'll show you the code that you can use. And then you can actually click on Start Shopping. If anything, this is the link right here, or I'll have this in the description for the actual eBay shipping supplies store. If you're having difficulties. And also here's the link if, say for example, they changed the path. This is the direct link to the subscriber discounts page. So hope this video helped. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and check out my other helpful videos.